What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Turbo Got Bands, and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with another vlog. And currently right now, what I'm about to go do is I'm about to go to the car wash so I can empty out this, like clean out my car real quick. My car dirty, I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, I gotta get a little bit of this miscellaneous stuff up out of here. I got like a couple trash bags and stuff like that, and I gotta clean out my back seat, put my jackets and shit up in the trunk. But yeah, I'm about to head to a car meet. Like, it's gonna be my first time going to a car meet with my boy Jakeith. So we finna got down, kick shit, and you feel me? I don't know, like we finna just see the vibes. This the first time I got to swap there, so like I say, I don't really know too much what to expect. But I just hope it don't rain, because bro, my dang windshield wipers still ain't working, so I'm not sure what's wrong with that. But I am probably finna slide to AutoZone to see if they got a bolt so I can bolt that bit down, because bro, I literally don't understand why it's not going down. But we finna figure out right now why that's not working and shit like that. So yeah, y'all folks just stay tuned with me and just enjoy the vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, because we're on the verge of hitting 14K. We at 13,300 now. Appreciate all the love and support y'all folks been showing me, because like bro, this swap was kind of hell. During this process, it was kind of hell. I was going through a lot of hiccups, but you feel what I'm saying? We overcame them, and you know, we kept it pushing. So therefore, I'm gonna keep giving y'all what y'all want to see, man. So let me know. My face greasy as hell, but hey, it gonna stay this way, cause bro, some of my videos, bro, my face be dry hell, my nose be, you feel what I'm saying? Ain't going out like that no more. Alright, y'all, so basically right now what I'm currently doing, I'm on the way to the meet. I got Jakeith behind me. We just came from gas stations from getting gas and shit like that. So currently what I'm about to do is, you feel me, I'm finna go and pick up my date for the night. You feel what I'm saying? I'm finna go pick up me some little frying shit real quick, man. And we finna just have fun, like bro, we finna go to this meet and have a ball, and, you know, do what we do best out here, live life. So you know, I'ma tune in with y'all once we get a little bit closer to our destination, cause we gotta eat up this road. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro, this ride to this car meet, bro, we got 49 minutes to go, bro. 49. That's a grip. So I ain't gonna be sitting here just talking to y'all all night. I'm gonna catch up with y'all and let y'all know what's going on. So y'all folks just stay tuned, man. Well, Keith just pulled up on the side of me like he trying to race or something. He just pulled up on the side of me like he trying to race or something. He ain't trying to race me, y'all. Chat. He just tried to smash off on me, y'all. He just tried to smash off on me, man.
Hey, I didn't know we gonna line that shit up, man.
Hey, no cap. But this shit say my brake fluid low. That swap life, bro. This shit hell. Huh? Barely. I just play it stop. I need to see what time AutoZone closed just in case though. How the fuck? Damn, this Honda geeked up too. They big got on welds. Ah, them some welds. Crazy though. Little bad motherfucker right here. So look though, all these niggas got all these popping tunes and shit, but all these bitches still getting burnt by that scat out there though. No doubt. Ain't none of these niggas finna be snatching on my folk, man. popping too. Yeah, that bitch dumb loud. I ain't gonna lie. I'm still burning this though. Hammed up and all. Huh?
Shit, right your shit over there.
Oh, fuck no. Oh, fuck no, boy. That boy right there popping something crazy. That shit fucking nigga is up, what? Yeah. No cap. What'd you say? She be talking so much shit. You can't back man up. Yeah, you better hold that, don't you know what I'm saying? Establishment, talking with Bree on the phone. Just chill now. Shit crazy. I just seen that boy Zato, man. He nigga trying to go all the way up to the top, bro. Like, ah, for hell, shawty. That nigga say that don't even know I'm behind. What is it? Hey man. Yo. Nigga Zay shit spanking. What shit spanking? Sure, keep it to me. Hey Zay, we gotta do a video swapping cars though, bro.
Oh, we can do that shit.
We got to do that, bro. That nigga still got the tag on there. You tripping. Nigga bought this car 4 years ago.
This big hell, yeah.
Bro, this big geek, bro. What tune he put on that? It's still that Burble tune?
It's a whole different setup.
Oh. Okay, cool. See, I need my shit geeked up though, bro.
But I don't be fucking with all part because I mean I don't be fucking with underground. All they do is copy a nigga tune and just sell it.
Yeah. This so shit, you in the all part?
I'm in the all part.
Nigga, I ain't gonna lie. I got an appointment with they ass on the 30th, bro. No cap, cause he know my shit was tripping at first, bro. Like, oh God, bro, my shit was dead ass tripping. So.
Jimmy get right every time. I really gotta go back and get an oil change. Oh, they got 12. They got 12.
Wishing that I had a chance to bring her back tonight. I got feelings, I can't let them go. I'm knowing this shit ain't right. This shit crazy how they go by time and call this shit here life.